to our world, peace on earth to everyone. A time to be joyful when all is calm and all is bright. But why does it change with the seasons, and why can't we
just packed some of the advent calendar for Jodie and Sonia. So even numbers are for Jodie and then odd numbers are for Sonia. And honestly, this sticker is so useful. Yeah, I just left with a few because I'm not done with those gifts. Yay!
There are times I can remember with family and friends. The light of Christmas radiates, lights up my memories, the magic of love. We made time, but why does it change with the seasons, and why can't we just hold on? Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore
Okay, so I'm gonna open from day 2 to day 10 of advent calendar because today is already 10 of December. So I got day 2. What? It's caca! Oh my god! Is this a sign for me to work out? I like this one. Oh my god! Thank you, Sonia. Day 3. Look at this pretty plastic. It's like a snow globe design. Okay. Oh, it's a socks. Okay, let me read this first. Christmassy. Okay, I like this because it's long socks. I can use it with my Converse shoe. Look at this beautiful packaging by Sonia. Look! I don't know what am I doing. I already know what it is because Jodie opened it. Hey, but I like Christmas hair. Oh no, my hair and the back is like... It's day 5. It's by Jodie. Bath and Body Works. I'm sorry, but Winter Candy Emperor, I have one there, but it's finishing. Thank you. Okay, I might put this in my bag so that I smell nice. Day 6 by Sonia. She uses this frequently and I hope you like it. Stay beautiful always. Thank you. Okay, let me open it. Okay. Oh, new skin. Okay, I shall put this in the fridge and I'll use it later. Tonight. Day 7 and I already know it's a hand sanitizer by Jodie. Oh my god, sis, I have 2 of this. This message is freaking annoying, but I love you still. Okay, day 8. There's a cute letter that says, I know 2020 has been a tough year for you. 辛苦你了. I think your 苦 is wrong. The Chinese one is wrong. Okay, but that's okay. I hope you'll use this well in 2022. Is it like a planner or something? Look at this washi tape. It's my favorite cacao. Oh my god. Yay. Dude, there's no way I'm going to use this as a notebook because this is too cute. How can so cute one? Really? Okay, I need to start eating food. Cute. Like kind of goes so well together. Like the color scheme is so cute together. Thank you. 9 by Jodie again. I mean not again, but like day 9. The light of the Christmas be a little more sparkle. Is this sparkle? Spangle. Wow, I don't know how to read this word. Okay, and a little less stress for you. You work hard, Eileen. I know you really do. I just want to tell you that I'm proud of you and what you have done so far. Now I get what Sonia means by it's a bit hard to read the handwriting. School might be tough. You juggling all your commitments might be tough, but I know you did the best. And you are the best. And you are the best too. Okay. Stickers. Oh my god. So cute! You can see. I like this. Why is it so blurry? But it's so cute. Wait. No wait, I just show you the back of it. It's 2 pages. It's like the page. And then there's the back page. Oh, cool. I'm going to use this. Thank you. And there's a cookies and cream chocolate. It's day 10 already. I'm sad. I have to wait until tomorrow. But I think this has something to do with journaling because it says since I am into journaling, this might be useful. Oh my god, I really like the back, like look at this. This is aesthetic. Maybe I shouldn't open it. I should just put it as decoration, like behind me, like here. Okay, let me open it. Open. Maybe I should keep all these strings. What is this? Oh my god! Brushes for like calligraphy, I think. Oh my god! I've been like wanting to get brushes, but actually it's a bit X. Whoa! This looks. Whoa! This is nice eh. I mean, I'm trying to get into calligraphy though. I still freaking suck at it.